Let them doubt you. Let them think you're weak. Let them assume you don't have what it takes. Because when they underestimate you, you hold the advantage. Most people want to prove themselves right away. They want recognition. They want to be seen as strong, capable, dangerous. But the moment you show your strength too soon, you lose your edge. Because now they see you coming. Now they know what to expect. But if they think you're weak, if they think you're harmless, that's when you become dangerous. Because while they relax, while they lower their guard, you're preparing to strike. That's the strategy. Stay quiet. Let them misjudge you. And when the time is right, you show them exactly who you are. Step 1. Stay low. Stay quiet. Most people lose power because they can't shut up. They brag, they announce their plans. They try to prove themselves before they've even accomplished anything. Big mistake. Power is quiet. Strength is subtle. When you talk too much, you give away your position. You let people see you coming. And once they see you coming, they adjust. They prepare. You've lost the element of surprise. So don't announce your moves. Don't explain yourself. Don't justify your choices. Let people assume whatever they want about you. Stay quiet. Keep them guessing. A predator doesn't roar before the kill. It stalks. It waits. It blends into the background until the perfect moment. That's how you have to move. Step 2. Let them think you're weak. Most people can't stand being underestimated. Their ego can't handle it. If someone calls them weak, they immediately rush to prove them wrong. That's emotional weakness. That's playing their game. But the ones who stay calm when they're underestimated, they're the ones who win. Because when someone thinks you're weak, they relax. They let their guard down. They underestimate the threat you pose. And that's when you strike. When they least expect it. When they're unprepared. That's when you hit hardest. Let them think you're nothing. Let them laugh at you. Let them talk behind your back. They won't be laughing when you win. Step 3. Train in the dark. While they're underestimating you, you need to be sharpening your edge. Getting stronger. Getting smarter. Preparing for the moment when you reveal your true strength. No one needs to know how hard you're working. No one needs to see the hours you're putting in behind the scenes. Let them think you're lazy. Let them think you're average. Because when you finally show up, when you reveal the strength you've been building in silence, it will blindside them. They'll have no defense because they weren't prepared to face someone like you. Work in silence. Improve in private. Become dangerous when no one is watching. Step 4. Strike when it counts. The goal isn't to stay underestimated forever. It's to lull them into a false sense of security, and then hit when it matters most. Timing is everything. You don't reveal your strength in a meaningless fight. You don't waste your advantage on small wins. You hold it. You sharpen it. You wait until the stakes are high. Until victory will shift the balance of power permanently. When the time is right, you don't hesitate. You don't warn them. You don't hold back. You hit hard, and you hit clean. And by the time they realize what's happening, it's already over. That's the power of being underestimated. When they're expecting nothing, you have the power to take everything. Step 5. Stay humble after you win. Most people ruin their advantage after they win. They start talking. They start bragging. They think one victory means they've made it. That's when they slip. That's when they get sloppy. That's when someone else starts setting them up to fail. Don't make that mistake. Win quietly. Take your victory, and disappear into the shadows. Let them wonder how you did it. Let them think it was luck. Let them underestimate you all over again. Because the moment you give away your strength, you lose it. Step 6. Make it look easy. This is the final step, and the most dangerous one. When you win, don't show how hard it was. Don't show the struggle. Make it look easy. Because if they think it was hard, they'll start looking for your weaknesses. But if you make it look effortless, they'll assume you're on another level. They'll think you're untouchable. That's how legends are made. Not just by winning, but by making it look natural. You want them to see you win and say, "Of course he won. He always wins." That's when you become untouchable. That's when the game stops being fair. Step 7. Keep them guessing. After you win, don't settle into a pattern. Don't let them figure you out. Stay unpredictable. One day you're silent. The next day you're aggressive. One day you let them think they've got you. The next day you flip the whole game. Uncertainty is power. If they can't predict you, they can't control you. If they can't read you, they can't stop you. And that's the game. Let them doubt you. Let them overlook you. Let them laugh. And then, when the moment is right, you take it all. Because when you control what they expect, you control the outcome. Be elite. Stay elite.